Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW with N52 or N53 engine, this is the 6-cylinder engine on BMW, guys, that has been used from year 2005 to year 2014-15. And you guys have a vacuum leak, or you heard about vacuum leak and you're wondering, okay, what is vacuum leak? Stay with us, we'll explain that today, guys, and we'll explain what is a vacuum leak, what causes vacuum leak, and how to fix a vacuum leak. Now, quick introduction to the channel, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least, guys, 200 to 300 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we'll have more than 400 to 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts or tools for your BMW, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We share it for your convenience. That's where we get all our parts and tools from. So this specifically, guys, is a 2006 BMW with the N52 engine. N52 engine and N53 engines are almost the same engines, guys, with some minor differences, but pretty much it will apply to both. So if you guys have an N52 N53 engine, this is the 6-cylinder engine. It has been used in BMW, guys, 1 Series, 3 Series, 5 Series, BMW 6, 7 Series, X3, X5, and maybe even earlier models X1 with that 6-cylinder engine as well. So quite a few models, guys, actually use that engine. Now, what causes a vacuum leak and what is a vacuum leak? Let's cover first what is a vacuum leak, guys. Vacuum leak, okay, think of that, okay, like that. Let's start with the first step, how the engine works, guys. It's sucking air. It goes through the air filter box. Okay, air filter box. Past the air filter box, the first sensor that you have, something like that. Okay, this is, guys, called mass airflow sensor. This sensor detects how much air the engine is getting. Any extra air that the engine, guys, gets after that point, guys, any extra air that it gets after that sensor, the engine doesn't know of. This is known as a vacuum leak, guys. How the engine will detect you have a vacuum leak? Okay, if it cannot calculate that. So, pretty simple, guys. When you guys have a vacuum leak, your engine is running lean. The mixture fuel air mixture is actually lean. What that means, you have less fuel, more air, when they should be balanced. Okay, let's say you need 1 part fuel, 1 part air, but now you guys have 1 part fuel, 2 parts air. How the engine will detect you have a lean mixture, guys, and indicate you have a vacuum leak? When the fuel and the air burns in the cylinder, guys, and comes out of the exhaust, you have that sensor which is called oxygen sensor. Those get super hot, by the way. That oxygen sensor is going to read what comes out of the exhaust, and it will calculate, okay, we have a problem. The car did not burn as good as it should. We need to add more fuel. So the engine computer tells the fuel injectors to spray a little bit more fuel. It keeps, guys, adjusting for that all the time, and as a result, eventually it will throw a code that will indicate a vacuum leak. So that vacuum leak, guys, could be caused by even something simple such as loose hose clamp, okay, where the intake boot connects, okay, to the air filter box. It could be a loose clamp right here, or it could be a loose hose clamp where the intake boot connects to the throttle body of your vehicle, guys. The throttle body, okay, is mounted right here. Usually that's your throttle body. It's mounted on the intake manifold, and on the back side of the intake manifold you have a gasket, okay, on the throttle body, excuse me, where it mounts to the intake manifold. That gasket, guys, if this gasket is flat and it's leaking, that will cause a vacuum leak as well. Another things to look for will be broken vacuum lines, purge valve line right here, PCV lines. Okay, you have multiple vacuum lines under the you can see right here the intake manifold, 1 PCV hose on the back that can lead to a vacuum leak as well, guys. Multiple things, and even sometimes it could be a bad intake manifold gasket. This is the gasket between the intake manifold and the cylinder head, guys. But it means, guys, that your engine is getting, okay, it's getting more air than it knows of, and this is called a vacuum leak, guys. Now, if you want to see a detailed video how to fix it, we'll have it on the channel. We'll be taking this engine completely apart, guys. So we can show you guys how to service pretty much anything on it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.